The scale of the plan, however, the barbarity involved in it was made necessary in Columbus' eyes. So the native population showed barbarity, that is why they were disordered native population, as we can predict for the blank one. Choice A and choice B denote opposite meaning of disorder, but anarchic as choice C does the same. So choice C fits blank one as correct answer. The first line is capable of giving an idea that how the imposition of European laws and values can be which had not gone well. The blank 2 should be filled with a choice matches to make sense. With respect to correct answer for choice 1, that is anarchic, only choice F denotes exercising power in a cruel or arbitrary way. Choice D and E are irrelevant to make sense regarding blank 1 to be relevant for blank 2. So choice F is the correct answer for blank 2. So the correct answers are choice F and choice C.